How to use Facebook ads efficiently. Here are some tips on how to use Facebook ads efficiently. Define your target audience. Make sure you have a clear understanding of who your target audience is, including their demographics, interests, and behaviors. Set clear goals. Establish specific, measurable goals for your campaign, such as increasing website traffic or boosting sales. Use the right ad format. Choose the ad format that best suits your goals and audience, such as image, video, or carousel ads. Test and optimize. Test different ad creatives and targeting options, and use the data from your campaigns to optimize and improve performance. Track and measure results. Use Facebook's built-in analytics tools to track the performance of your ads and measure your results against your goals. Utilize automated rules. Use automated rules to optimize the performance of your campaigns, for example, pausing ads that aren't performing well, or increasing the budget for ads that are performing well. Use retargeting. Use retargeting ads to reach people who have previously engaged with your business, such as visiting your website or interacting with your Facebook page. Use lookalike audience. Use lookalike audience feature to reach new people who are similar to your existing customers. Test different ad placement. Test different ad placements, such as Facebook Stories, Instagram, or Audience Network to see which one works best for you. Keep your ad relevance high. Keep your ad relevance high by using relevant images, text, and targeting options to ensure that your ad is shown to the right people at the right time. Use the right metrics. Track the right metrics to measure the success of your Facebook ads, such as click-through rate, center, conversion rate, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Follow Facebook's policies. Make sure you comply with Facebook's policies on ad content, targeting, and measurement. Use Facebook Pixel. You should install a Facebook Pixel on your website. This will help you to track conversions, retarget and optimize your campaigns. By following these tips, you can create effective Facebook ads that help you achieve your business goals. Thanks for watching.